On July 30th, I'm sitting down with Rhythm Agarwal from Aperia Technologies. Now that conversation is going to take the form of a webinar called The Agile Factory on the Connected Edge. Hey there, my name is Christopher Sandoval. I'm the Developer Relations Advocate here at Flowfuse. So let's dive into what we're talking about and why you should care. So here's the core problem here. Most factories aren't just a single system. They're an interconnected patchwork. A handheld screwdriver here, a barcode scanner there, legacy PLCs running logic that nobody's touched in years, and often there's a split between an entire farm of custom machines that are running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and machines that only run for very specific purposes but then just sit idle in downtime, wasting potential resources and your ability to iterate and develop new solutions. Now across this industrial patchwork, machines are kind of speaking their own language. So when you want to make a change to the logic on the floor, you need a standardized and governed way that doesn't make you carry a thumb drive from machine to machine. It's not agile, it's fragile. You need a control plane that is standardized and governed. Now that's exactly the problem that Flowfuse was created to fix in the first place. So when Aperia Technologies wanted to resolve this problem in their own system, they decided to replace their entire LabVIEW stack with a cloud-native edge architecture. They leveraged Flowfuse and Node-RED to talk directly to their hardware. Modbus, RS-232, raw TCP, with no black boxes in between. Every scan, every cycle, every single asset was managed and logged in real time to a MongoDB backbone, and traceability was enforced right at the edge. And going a step further, it allowed them to take all those machines that had downtime once their specific task was done and use them for testing, for iteration, for new development. It was a huge sea change in the way that they did business, and it's sort of reflective of the way industry as a whole needs to update their thinking around their machines and around their connected stack. Now, if you want to hear exactly how Aperia Technologies did this, Rhythm's going to talk through every step of this. The architecture, the costs, the trade-offs against PLCs, the wins, and the parts that were hard to implement. If you'd like to be part of this webinar, then click the link in the description below to go to the registration page. We're hosting the session at 5 p.m. Central European Time, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. If you can't make the webinar but you still want to learn everything that Rhythm did, then register anyways and I'll send you a copy after we're done. So again, click the link in the description below and I will see you there.